Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your VAT ID in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it opens up in the Explore page where we have some suggestions. From here we have to tap on Profile. Then we have to tap on Taxes in this section. It's going to load a bit. And then at the bottom we find Value Added Tax, VAT. We can tap on this button and then fill in the required details, and thereby we can add our VAT ID to the Airbnb app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you